For airline operational leaders, today's environment is defined by disruptions. These include ongoing supply chain challenges and limited MRO aftermarket alternatives in many areas. These factors have a direct, tangible impact on fleet reliability, passenger disruption, and rising aircraft maintenance costs. This is exactly why IATA is launching the World Maintenance Engineering Symposium, or WMES. WMES is designed as a guidance to practice platform, bringing global standards, data, and best practice together and translating them into operational outcomes for maintenance and material operational teams. The first edition of the WMES will take place in Madrid, Spain on the 24th to 25th of June, and the theme is about reviving the aircraft supply chain. WMS is built for supply chain, maintenance, engineering and technical supply chain leaders, as well as regulators, OEMs and MRO partners. It is a space to exchange lessons learned, strengthen collaboration and align on solutions which work. You will be able to attend a dedicated track on supply chain matters. It will include targeted discussions on new industry initiatives from IATA MRO Smart Plug platform, relief solutions with used serviceable materials, alternative parts and repairs, and best practice related to maintenance information systems. These discussions will be led by airlines, MROs and industry experts. You'll also see sessions on predictive maintenance and artificial intelligence, including real airline use cases. We will explore electronic tech log and digital maintenance systems, maintenance information systems and improved material flow. I encourage you to join us in Madrid, review the program, connect with your peers, and be part of shaping the future of maintenance and engineering operations. I look forward to seeing you there.